Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or delete apps from your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, 17A, doesn't matter with 17 and a half. This will work on all of them. So for that, when you unlock your iPhone, you will see a bunch of applications here. To delete it, simply press and hold, and you will see the remove up, and here you have a few options. You can remove from home screen if you don't want it, or you can uninstall it or delete the application. When you tap on the delete app, it will delete the app from your iPhone. That's how you do it. The other way is actually through settings up. Go to settings, go storage. You can search for storage here, iPhone storage, and here you have these applications. Just tap on any of them, and in here you have the options to offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its document data. You can reinstall the app, and it will place back your data in the application. And you have the other option called delayed app. Just tap on the delayed app. It will uninstall the application and delay the data from your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can uninstall or delete application from your iPhone 17 series, any kind of 17. So thank you for watching.